parts 1 to 3 of slime test. So first we're going to do stretch test. Oh, it's quite good actually. Then we're going to do squish test. Pretty good. And smell test. So we're going to do that little swirly thing test. Wait, that went out of hand. Because my hands are a bit shaky, but it's fine. Oh, that was pretty good actually. And then poke test. So we've got to squish it. So yeah, it's pretty good actually. Out of all, I rate this slime an 8.7 out of 10. And guys, comment your favourite type of slime in the comments. So, peace out.